Hey small business owners, I'm Jordan Soto with Ringba, the premier call tracking platform for pay-per-call marketers. In this video, we're going to tell you the 5 ways you can increase conversion rates for home services campaigns. 40% of home services consumers who call from search make a purchase, so make it easy for consumers to call you. You can do this by adding call extensions on Google Ads or making call now action buttons on your social media and web pages. Be sure to track your callers from marketing source to appointment or sale. You can do this by using call tracking software like Ringba. This will help you understand how your digital marketing is generating calls. By listening to your call recordings, you can easily provide feedback and train your agents to handle phone calls that will result in better sales. Listening to call recordings is one of the most underutilized strategies for gaining deep insights into your campaigns and, more importantly, your customers. Capture the common questions callers are asking on calls and address them in your online content to improve SEO and boost conversions. Ringba's dynamic number pools gives a unique number to every user. This helps you find where your callers are calling from. Those calls get attributed to the user's session information, giving you detailed tracking information about the source of the user so you can further optimize your campaigns. Ringba tracks all impression data, whether a user calls or doesn't, which means you can gain an even deeper insight by viewing reports based on keywords and other criteria to see who did call and who didn't. And then you can adjust your advertising campaign targeting accordingly. Analyze conversations to measure what percentage of calls aren't being answered at each location. If long on-hold times result in high call abandonment rates, if the caller was a good lead, if they converted, and which agents or locations are best and worst at converting callers to consumers. The best marketers in the world are all data-driven, and you should be too. Target past callers and lookalike audiences with new ad campaigns. Your callers provide a wealth of targeting data. You can use that to more effectively acquire new customers and then also retarget qualified callers based on whether or not they booked an appointment or converted. And these are just a few of the ways you can improve your pay-per-call conversion rates for home services campaigns. This video is brought to you by Ringba. Ringba is the call tracking platform trusted by industry-leading pay-per-call companies. Connect your online marketing to your offline sales and get the data you need to drive revenue with Ringba. To learn more about how Ringba is changing the future of pay-per-call, visit www.ringba.com.